welcome to Diamond Games, and today is Lucky Monday, and I have a giant unboxing and a review for you. Oh my god. We're gonna be reviewing this RC helicopter from AeroQuest, I think. It's built in a gyroscope scope system, a Shark Assassin, infrared control, whatever. It's a stable flight system, and it's built out of some metal, so it has a durable structure. It has some LED lights on the front, and it can be played indoor, and it has a tri-band. I don't know what that means, but anyways, let's open it. I don't know. So, to open it, I'm just gonna be gentle with the box. Gentle with it. Oh wait. There's still something. I didn't see it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need scissors. So we got it. We got it out. Oh wait, I forgot to show you the helicopter. So there's different styles like this one, but I got the black one because I like it. Actually, it might be gray or silver, but. So there's this thing, a Speed Tech service card. Oh, this is really hard to open. Ooh, okay. So we got this helicopter right here. It's with metal, so it's protective and it won't break. And it has some flexible wings, so if it hits something, it won't break that much. And then yeah, it says warning, gonna fly with broken or damaged rotors, may cause damage or lead to injury. And we got this thing, this one, the instruction manual, I don't care. And then we got the controller. So I don't know how to open it, I'm just gonna do like this. I don't know how to open this one. So yeah, there it is. So I'm pretty sure you pull this down to charge the helicopter, so you can charge it. The charging station right there, and then oh my gosh, they didn't give us a screw. Oh wait, the screw's inside. Anyways. So it requires 6 AA batteries. So 6 AA batteries for the controller. Just got it. You know what, guys? We'll be back when this is set up. Okay, so we're back, and then so yeah. So you have this button for the lights. And then these other buttons, the on and off, these things, I don't know. And this one controls the direction, and then this one is for up and down. We can't really do it here, so yeah, we're just gonna hold it, but we can't really do it here. Just like that. Oh. Wait. Alright, so that's all.
Yung sa divisoran ay steady nila.